The spirit of discouragement
Umoya
is
wokushesha
very
udumale.
dangerous.
Uyingozi.
It causes one to be consumed or swallowed by failure.
Wenza ukuthi omunye agwinywe ukwehluleka.
It makes a person to be afraid
Yenza umuntu ukuthi asabe
to try even new things.
ukuzama izinto ezisha.
It makes a person
Yenza umuntu
to be even afraid to follow God.
ukuthi asabe nokulandela uNkulunkulu.
Because in most cases,
Ngoba enkathini
when
eziningi
God leads a person,
uNkulunkulu makahola umuntu
He leads you through
Ukuhola.
things that are scary,
ey'ntweni ezithusayo.
things which no human mind can comprehend.
Izinto ingqondo yomuntu engeke
God
ziziqondisise.
can come to you
uNkulunkulu angenza kuwe
showing you a dream,
akhombise iphupho
but not showing you that you are going to a pit,
kodwa angakhombisi ukuthi uye
not
emgodini.
showing you that you are going to jail,
Angakhombisi
not
ukuthi
showing you
uyeshela.
Potiphar's wife,
Angakhombisi
but
unkosikazi
yet
waPotifa
there's a dream.
kanti kunephupho.
There's a dream.
Kunophupho.
He shows you the glory,
Uyakhombisa
but it doesn't show you the cross.
kodwa akakhombisi isiphambano.
So meaning if you lose courage,
Kusho ukuthi mawulahlekelwa
you
ugqozi
might not break through to the glory.
ungazithola songakhona ukuphula undlulelo uye enkazimulweni.
You might drop while you are in that process,
Ungawusesokulelo hambo
going towards the glory.
uya
You
enkazimulweni.
might drop your cross.
Ungalahla
You might
isiphambano
give
sakho.
up and say,
Ungalahla
this is
ithawula
too much for me.
uthi kuyasinda.
This is too much for me.
Uthi kuyasinda.
What is the name courage? The
Yini
name
legama
courage
lesinkosi?
is a noun. Is a noun. And the name courageous is an adjective.
Legama lisugqugquzeleka.
Is an adjective. An adjective, it means the action word of the noun.
Lithi igama lesenzo.
The quality of that noun.
Ubungqo.
Courage is a noun. Courageous is an adjective. Adjective,
Igama
it means it
lesenzo.
reveals the quality of your
Iveza ubungqo.
courage. It shows
Ugqozi
how
lwakho.
courageous you are.
Yakhombisa ukuthi wena nogqozi
And
kangakanani.
courage is not just going kwesitolo kuphela. Courage has got three things:
Nezinto ezintathu.
fear,
Kwesaba,
danger.
ingozi.
Fear, danger, and
Kwesaba ingozi.
anything that threatens you.
Noma ngabe yini kuthuselayo.
Ayikhulumi ngento ezilula. When we say the person is courageous,
Asithi
it
umuntu
means the
unogqozi.
person has went through dangerous things.
Kusho ukuthi lo muntu udlule ey'ntweni
The
eziyingozi
person has went through
ezithusayo.
scary things.
Udlule ey'ntweni ezithusayo.
Lo muntu udlule ey'ntweni ezithusayo. There's no courage to go to work.
Alukho ugqozi lokuthi uye
Work is
emsebenzini.
not scary, it's comfortable.
Umsebenzi awuthusi kodwa nje ukuyanethezeka.
So don't think you are going to work to be courageous.
Ungacabanga ukuthi
No,
uye
no, no, no,
emsebenzini
no.
ukuthi uthole
You are
ugqozi
going to work.
kodwa uye emsebenzini.
When we say you are courageous,
Masithi
it means you
unogqozi.
entered a dangerous situation.
Kusho ukuthi ungena esimeni
You
esiyingozi.
entered danger.
Ungena engozini.
You entered danger.
Ungena engozini.
You were found in the midst where things look like you are dying.
Utholakala ey'ntweni zezinto ezibonakala kangathi soyafa.
But we saw you coming out.
Kodwa sikubona uphupho.
We saw you
Sikubona
coming
uphupho.
out. So that's why God says to Joshua,
Ingakho uNkulunkulu athi kuJoshua,
I'm sending you.
ngiyakuthuma.
My servant Moses is dead.
Inceku yami uMose sekafikile.
Imagine God comes to you, He wants to
uNkulunkulu
send
eza
you.
kuwe.
But He tells you that somebody has died.
Uyakutshela ukuthi khona sekafile.
But I'm now choosing you.
Kodwa manje
And it's
ngikhetha
not a
wena.
person who comes, it's God telling you that my
uNkulunkulu
servant is dead.
okutshelayo ukuthi inceku yami
The
seyifile.
first thing that comes to your mind,
Into yokuqala ezingqondweni yakho.
why lawyer feel hambe now? My servant Moses is dead.
Inceku yami uMose
But now I'm
sekafile.
also sending you.
Kodwa nawe futhi ngiyakuthuma.
Meaning what he went through,
Kusho ukuthi lokho adlulekile.
you're going to go through it.
Nawe uyodlula kiyo.
You're going to go through it.
Nawe uyodlula kiyo.
So many people,
Abantu abaningi
when they have to have courage,
makufanele babe
when
nesipili.
they have to be courageous,
Makufanele babe nogqozi.
that's why they fail.
Yilapho bahluleka
Because they're
khona.
afraid of danger.
Ngoba basaba ingozi.
They're afraid of challenges.
Basaba
They're
ingcinana.
afraid of things that looks like death.
Basaba izinto
A
ezibukeka
courageous
ngathi
person is not afraid.
umuntu onesipindi
He's not
akasabi.
afraid.
Akasabi.
If you want to make it in life,
Uma ngabe ufuna ukuphumelela
be
empilweni,
courageous.
iba nogqozi ube
Meaning,
nesipindi.
what makes other people to run away?
Kusho ukuthi lokho kwenza abanye abantu
Run towards
babaleke.
it.
Wena shona kiyo.
Run towards me.
Wena gijimela
When
kiyo.
others say there's death there,
Abanye mabathi
no, with
kunokufa.
courage I can go there.
Wena ngesipindi.
Let's see
uyakuthi
whether I will
ngiyakhona.
die
Asiboneni ukuthi
or I
ngizofa
will make it.
noma ngizophumelela
The
na.
quality of my courage.
Ubungqo besipindi sami.
The quality of my or again zama nge-dictionary ubani ongayigugula ukuthi ningathi ngiyani-mislead. I don't want to mislead you. Check it
Ufuna
with Google.
ukungidumisa.
Check the name courage. Just write the difference between courage and being courageous. Ubhale njalo kuGoogle yakho. So ngifuna ukuninceda. Aseyena esikolweni. Bangathi hey athi ukhuluma uyasimislead. Just go there and read the difference. You'll get it. Did you get it? Read.
Courage is a noun representing the ability to do something that frightens one.
Oh. Don't just say mina courageous. The ability to do something that frightens other people.
Ukhono lokwenza into ethusa abanye abantu.
Go on.
Courage is a noun representing the ability to do something that frightens one. Bravery or the inner mental moral strength to face fear.
You getting it? Sizohamba nayo. The inner moral to face fear. I am 17. Going to work, you are not courageous. It's a normal thing, it's a daily duty.
Into ejwayelekile umsebenzi wakho usuku nosuku.
Meaning, if you do something different,
Kusho ukuthi masowenza into ehlukile.
in the truth abanye abantu, that's why they say lo muntu courageous. Wenza izinto abanye abantu abazisabayo. Now, let's go back to Joshua.
Masibuyeleni kuJoshua.
God comes to him, he said, be courageous.
Uthi iba nesibindi.
It means uyobhekana nokuthusayo wena. Zuka nje, Joshua chapter 1. My servant is dead.
Ngiyamfika.
Khona ufile ngizolanda wena. Meaning you are going to replace somebody who has died along the chain.
Uyomela umuntu osekafile asahamba lo hamba.
Okay, continue.
Or the inner mental moral strength to face fear.
Moral strength to face fear. Not to run away from, to face fear.
Bhekana nokwesaba.
Being courageous is an adjective describing the act or person displaying that quality.
Now it's a chain. You are a believer. You are a Christian. You are a Christian. You might be a Christian without courage. Meaning you are not yet ready to face danger. Rejection. Being gossiped. People coming against you. The moment that happens, we move. Now you are failing this. The ability to face fear. The ability to face rejection. The ability to face hatred. The ability to conquer lies that comes against you. The ability to face persecution. Many believers don't have that. Hence, that's why they end up being discouraged and they mix themselves with people who are discouraged. And they all fall. Many believers are not there. You can think you are with a specific group, yet you are all discouraged. No one is facing fear. No one is facing danger. All of you are comfortable. Ukuphi okuthusayo kunzelayo.